welcome back. Today we will continue with our jshell tutorial. Yesterday I didn't create any tutorials so because I didn't get any time yesterday. So today probably we will start from where we stopped 2 days ago. So here we just discussed about the was keyword. So was keyword will list all the variables that we declare. So right now I automatically exit from jshell. So for starting jshell we are just using jshell. For exiting jshell we are using exit command. No. So this is the first thing we need to remember. So after jshell, usually if you are in a Java environment or something, usually you need to test some methods or classes or something else, right? Sometimes you need to test the variables also. So if you need to, sometimes you need to test some what we'll call test some expressions. So the ultimate advantage for jshell is like you can test everything. That's a only advantage with jshell. You can test expressions, methods, classes, and other kind of things without going to an IntelliJ IDEA or any IDEs. You can do everything from the command line, like Node.js. We can use the npm command interface to run everything, right? The same way these things will work. So if I am just typing something, you can see square root for store into one, and I use was to list all the variables declared. So there is a double variable with the $1 indicator, and if you just put $1 you can see that variable. So that's the thing we discussed so far. So I'm going to the next things. So I got an organized chart of what we need to remember about jshell. So I will go through that website. So where is that? I'm trying to find that again. So in that tutorial what they are doing is like they are discussing how to start jshell, that I already discussed. Then hello Java message like hello world, that also I discuss. Then they discuss about the variables, that also I discuss. So you can use word keywords also to declare a variable, that also I discussed in my previous video. So also you can use the primitive types like integer, anything you can add here. So and you can check wars to list all the variables declared. So that's okay. Then after that they are discussing about semicolon is option. So that's also a small thing that we need to remember. You can use semicolon, but it's option. Instead of semicolon, if you are using comma, what's gonna happen? So error identifier expected. So we'll get some errors. So right now scratch variables. If we don't provide variable name, Java create implicit variable to store the value. The variables start with the dollar sign. So if we don't provide variable name, so let's see, you are just typing 1, then it will store into a $5 variable. And if you click on wars, you can see that stored in an integer, so we don't need to specify anything. That's the compiler will store in compiler stores that variable in a particular type. So here you can see our when I put 1.5 store in double, when I put 1 it stored in integer. So that's also a good thing. So the third things they are discussing is like expressions. So we can, in this video we can just wrap about expressions, and next video probably we will discuss about methods. So here you can do any calculation, anything. So based on that it will store the values there. So and if you are not specifying brackets based on the priority, it will implement each things. Here 2 into 4 multiplication has high priority, so it will implement that things. So that's all about expressions. Other than that, I am not seeing anything that we need to discuss here. So in expression, one more thing, if I have a variable $1, 2, and I need to add that into an integer variable. That's the variable is a, so store on 3 in another variable, and I need to see what type of variables store double 9. So I add one double value with integer and it's automatically stored in a double value. So that's all about expressions. Another thing, how we will clear our window. I need to delete all the variables. If you are continuously typing so many variables we store, and you need to reset everything, right? So if I am going through the help commands, I can see save, open variables, method, types, imports, exit, environment, reset, reload. So reset is there. I don't know what reset means. So let me put that command here, resetting stage, and try to was everything gone. So that's the thing, and I am stopping this video right now, and we can discuss methods in our next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.